Hi, my name's Max, welcome to the channel. I'm a former pro boxer turned boxing coach. This is a 10-part series to take you from complete novice to knowing the boxing basics. So today's video, part 1, is going to be about the boxing stance. So step 1, if you're right-handed, your left foot's going to lead and be in front, and this will put you in the orthodox stance. If you're left-handed, you're going to step forward with your right foot and your right foot's going to lead, and this will put you in the southpaw stance. And this is going to allow you to have maximum power on your good hand. Okay, so now if you can, we're going to find somewhere where you've got like a nice straight line you can work off of. So step 2, from a neutral standing stance, we're going to step forward with your lead foot and just place your toe on that line, okay? So remember, if you're right-handed, that's your left foot. If you're left-handed, that's your right foot. So step 3, with your rear foot, we're just going to make sure that heel is also on that straight line. Step 4, we're going to make sure both your feet are at a nice 45-degree angle. It's mostly important that your front foot is 45-degree angle. Your back foot, some people prefer to go 90 or 45, so you can try them both and see what feels most natural to you. So step 5, now I want you to just try and bounce knee to knee. If it feels uncomfortable, it might be that you're too narrow or that you're too wide. So just experiment with that distance until you find a distance you can bounce knee to knee quite quickly and it feels comfortable. Okay, so step 6, I just want to make sure your back heel is a little bit off the floor, okay? So we're going to raise that so you're on the toe of your back foot, okay? You can also do the same with your front foot. However, sometimes your front foot will be flat and sometimes it'll be up, but the back foot, you nearly always want to keep that heel off the ground. Okay, so now we've got your feet right. Step 7 is the guard. So what I want you to do is get your elbows nice and tight to your body, do an invisible bicep curl, turn your palms towards your face, and then we're going to tuck your chin until it's in line with your hands so that your hands are covering your jawline. And that's where we're going to keep our guard. Our elbows are blocking our body and our hands are blocking our chin. Okay, so this is how your stance should look now. The other important thing is that your lead shoulder should be pointing at your opponent and your rear shoulder is tucked away behind you. Also, some common faults. You want to make sure you don't lean too far forward over that front knee. You want to stay fairly upright with 50% of your weight on your back leg and 50% of your weight on your front leg. Okay, so thank you for watching. That's the complete video of how to get into the boxing stance. Remember to really spend some time on that and get that right because your stance is your foundation to everything. So our next video, part 2 of the series, will be learning how to move within your stance, how to move forward, how to move back, and how to move to the sides.